Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for rocking with your girl. And if you are new, in the comments below, let me know how you guys found me and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, at the very end, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will be giving you guys my thoughts and opinion on this Bobbi Boss unit, so stay tuned. So this unit was sent to me by Divatress, so shout out to them. Thank you so much, Divatress, for kindly sending me this unit. I greatly appreciate it. This is the Bobbi Boss Lace First Class Hair. It's a deep lace part, lace front, ear to ear, hand tied lace front, ear to ear lace, heat styling safe in the style MLF463 olive, and I got it in the color 4. And this is what the card looks like. And this is what the back looks like. So it ranges on their website for about $38, and I just love this curl pattern. First of all, if you guys can see, it's so pretty, and this is just giving me some like diva vibes. I absolutely am in love with this unit. I don't know what it is, but I feel like a lot of these companies, they just be like renaming these units, because this unit looks just like Naja. Naja, I think that's how you pronounce it. I had reviewed a similar unit from Bobbi Boss. It looks exactly like this, and I think I got it in the same color, honestly. It was during Wigmas when everyone was doing like a bunch of collabs. So I'll post that video below, but I'm going to post a photo right here so you guys can see as well. It looks exactly the same. I would say the only difference is that it's thinner. I remember Naja had a lot of hair. But this unit is so cute. I just love the curl pattern. I would definitely say this cap size is small as heck. Finally, I measured my head and I'm 21 inches around. From this side to this side, 21 inches, and I believe I'm a medium cap size head. So yeah, so it's definitely really snug on me. I had to play with it back here and pull it forward, because where the elastic is in the middle, you know, like the stretchiness is in the middle. I had to pull it up to the front a little bit. I did not lay my edges down. All I did was cut the lace, and that was it. It does come with baby hairs. I didn't do anything with that, and I just used my MAC press powder, a little brush, and I went in to define the part, and that was it. This was a plop and go, and if you've been rocking with me, you know I love me some plop and goes. I hate doing a bunch of work, but yes, I am feeling this. I would say that there is some shedding. There is a little bit of shedding. You guys can see that. There is definitely a little bit of shedding, and because this is like a crimp type of like unit or like a wavy like unit, and it's super long. There will be some tangling. Of course, this is my first day wearing it, fresh out the package. There's no tangling right now, but I can guarantee you that by the end of the night, if I continue to wear this, there will be some matting back here, because that's what these wigs do. They matte back here. So just keep that in mind as well, that these units aren't meant to last, especially the longer ones. They just don't last as long. So if you are going to wear something like this, I would suggest wearing it like once a week, or you know, for like a special occasion, something like that. Yes, I'm feeling this. So if you like this unit, the link to Divatress will be listed below. Again, this is where I got this unit from, so make sure you guys check them out and give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you like or don't like about this unit, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And yes, I'll see you guys next time.